So as you're looking at this type of experimentation, are you looking into other industries or pharma is always a little bit behind because it's so regulated, but I always think there's value in looking at what other companies that might not be under those same constraints are doing.
Yeah, sure. So when we set out to establish this customer experience team that I'm now fortunate to head up, we actually had pretty clear strategy of hiring people at least 50-50. We had somebody from within the organization that we just know we must have on that team. But then we said, okay, so the rest of the team, approximately half, they need to be from outside pharma. So what we tried to do was identify companies which would share customers with us, but in a completely different space. So one thing we, for example, did was to assess, okay, so one of the customer groups where we have a hard time, that's the younger female physicians. So what we did was to discuss what would be brands in Denmark that really appeal to this segment. And we found, for example, a fashion company. And we also found a food delivery service company and a few other brands. There would be brands appealing to this segment. And we actually found someone from some of these industries where we share the same customer group, but in a completely different setting. And that, I have to say, this is really paid off. I mean, we have so many learnings and positive experiences with that, even though they come with very limited to zero pharma experience.